Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's TikTok video tutorial, I want to show you how to accept following request on your TikTok account. So before starting the process, I would like to ask please subscribe my YouTube channel and also give a like on this video. So first you just need to open your TikTok app that you have installed. So on a TikTok app, if you have already private your TikTok account, so when someone follow you, so you will get the notification about the following request. So in this video today, I want to show you just how to accept the following request on your TikTok account. And here you just need to simply tap on the inbox sticker icon. So when you tap on the inbox sticker, so you will find guys the follow request on the top of the screen. So you can see I have received just only 2 friend requests on my TikTok account. So now you want to simply tap on the first request, and here you can see all the following requests are listed here. So if you want to accept any one of them, so you just need to simply tap on the little pink check mark, and now you can see the following request is accepted. So now you want to go back to my TikTok profile, and here you can see my followings right now 1. And now you can see it becomes my friend. So this is very simple and easiest way to accept the follower request on your TikTok account. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to get the more videos regarding a TikTok app, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.